Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well and Happy New Year. I wanted to bring you this video on the upcoming changes to the Fico scoring model for 2023. Now, it's going to be very important that you guys get on the good credit side of the credit scoring model because it can cause either a decrease in your credit score by 20 points or an increase. So we're going to break it down in this video. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. I also give a free hard inquiry removal package at my website. So you can go there and download it. The link will be in the description of this video in the pinned comment section. We also have other letters to remove negative items off your credit report. So go to my website, review that, and download the package for free. I'm also having an upcoming webinar on January 7th on how to increase your credit score by 100 points quickly, you guys. It's going to help you remove negative items off your credit. Also showing you quick ways and hacks on how to increase your credit score in that 30-day window. So if you want to join me, the link will be in the description of this video. And let's jump into this information. Now, FICO stands for the acronym of the Fair Isaac Corporation. Now, with FICO, many lenders and banks use this scoring model to judge you for your credit worthiness. 90% of lenders are going to use some variation of their scoring model to see if you qualify or if you're credit worthy. Now, there is a Vantage 3.0 score, which Credit Karma used, and a lot of people are familiar with, but that is not the industry standard on most of the points. So you want to be aware of your FICO scores. Now, different lenders, depending on what you're trying to get approved for, will use a different variation of the FICO score. For instance, a mortgage, most lenders will use FICO 2, FICO 4, or a FICO 5 scoring model. There is a version of FICO, which is called FICO 8, which is the most commonly used version of FICO. And they do have different variations with this, a FICO auto score, one for mortgage lending, and even one for credit card. Now, with credit unions, a lot of times they may use a FICO 9 scoring model. Now, with the FICO 9 scoring model, they don't take in account of collections that came from medical bills. So it is very important on whether you're going to get approved or disapprove depending on your credit profile and what FICO scoring model that the lender is using. Now, with this FICO 10 that many lenders will be adopting this year, there is a difference on how they're going to score you depending on what's on your credit report. Now, it's going to make a difference of 20 points of an increase in your credit score or 20 points of a decrease depending on where your score is standing right now. So people that have a credit score in the good range, which will be from 670 and up, can see a possible increase of 20 points with this new scoring model. But if you are a person under a 670 credit score, you can see a possible 20-point decrease. So it's very important that you give it over this threshold of a 670 and better coming up this year, as many lenders are going to incorporate this scoring model into the way that they will be judging you for your credit worthiness. Now, the major change and factor with this FICO 10T And a FICO 10 is the T, the trending part. So they're going to look at your trending utilization data, meaning, are you carrying credit card debt that is going up, or is it staying the same? So you want to make sure that you're just not paying your minimum balances on your credit card. You want to aggressively bring that down, because they will be looking at your credit utilization over a 24-month period, meaning a 2-year window. So you don't want to consistently carry credit card balances that is the same or it's increasing. So if you're paying your credit card down, you want to make sure, if you already is carrying a balance on that card, that you don't charge more on that card. You want to keep making sure that your utilization is going down, because moving forward, that will be counted against you if the lender is using this FICO 10T model. So it will make a difference in your credit score. Now, a lot of lenders may not come over immediately, but many will start to integrate this in. So you need to be aware of these changes and change your behavior moving forward. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have comments or questions, please leave it in the comment section and I will reply to it. But if you have more personal questions, you can reach me at my website, submit your question, and it go directly to my cell phone. So hopefully this was helpful, and I look to see you guys in the next video. So stay tuned.